Good morning, students. Today we will learn the third type of the partial fraction. See the question here. Integration of the form x upon x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 dx. It is type 3. Student, here you can see that there is a one of the term has the square x minus 1 whole square. So for the partial fraction we will write x upon x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 is equal to a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 whole square plus c upon x plus 2. Whenever this is a square or cube, then we will increase the power 1 by 1 and we will take one constant. Now we will take the LCM. Its LCM is x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. Then it is a into x minus 1 plus into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. And this side x upon x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. Now this is cancel out. So x equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. This is the main equation. Now to find the value of b and c, we will make the substitution. For b, we will write x minus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to 1. Then there is a 1, x equal to 1, a into 0 because x minus 1 is 0 plus b into 1 plus 2 plus c into 0. Then value of b equal to 1 upon 3. Now to find the value of c, we will put x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 2 and minus 2 equal to a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Then minus 2 equal to c into it is 9. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 square is 9. So value of c equal to minus 2 upon 9. To find the value of a, we will compare the coefficient of x square both sides. On comparing the coefficient of x square from both sides. So student, you can see there is no x square on this side. So 0 equal to a into there is a x into x square, so a plus c, and from this term there is no x square. So value of a equal to minus c and c equal to minus 2 by 9, so it is plus 2 by 9. Now to solve the integration, we will write integration I equal to, put the value of a, it is 2 by 9 integration 1 upon x minus 1 dx. Value of b 1 by 3, so plus 1 by 3 integration 1 upon x minus 1 whole square dx plus value of c minus 2 by 9. So it is minus 2 by 9 integration 1 upon x plus 2 dx. Now integrate. It is of the form 1 upon x. Integration of 1 upon x is log x. So it is 2 by 9 log mod x minus 1. It is minus 1 upon 3. It is of the form integration x power n. Here n equal to minus 2. So it is minus 1 upon x minus 1. Then minus 2 by 9, its integration is log x plus 2 plus c. So it is the integration of given question. Student, next is type 4. See the question based on it. There is a integration cos x upon 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x dx. So student, you can see the derivative of sin x is given here. So we will suppose let sin x equal to t. Then it is cos x dx equal to dt. So integration I becomes integration dt upon 1 minus t into 2 minus t, because derivative of sin x is given here, which is cos x. Now it is the type 1. So partial fraction of this 1 minus t into 2 minus t is equal to a upon 1 minus t plus b upon 2 minus t. Take the LCM. It is 1 minus t and 2 minus t. So here it is 2 minus t plus 1 minus t. This side 1 upon 1 minus t and it is 2 minus t. It is cancelled out. So it is 1 equal to a into 2 minus t plus b into 1 minus t. It is the main equation. For a, we will put 1 minus t equal to 0 or t equal to 1. So 1 equal to a, it is 2 minus t, 2 minus 1 plus b into 0. So a equal to 1 here. For b, we will write 2 minus t equal to 0, then t equal to 2. Then 1 equal to a into 0 plus b into 1 minus 2 or 1 equal to minus b. Value of b equal to minus 1. To integrate this, we will write I equal to integration value of a is 1. So 1 upon 1 minus t dt. Value of b is minus 1. So minus 1 upon 2 minus t dt. Student, there is a integration of the form 1 upon x. So its integration is log x. Here coefficient of t is minus 1. So we will write minus 1 also, minus log mod 1 minus t. Minus minus plus, same here, it is log mod 2 minus t plus c. Now we will put the value of t equal to sin x. So final answer I equal to minus log mod 1 minus sin x plus log 2 minus sin x plus c. Student, we can use the formula log m minus n also. So there is a formula log m minus log n equal to log m upon n. So if we use that formula, so answer will be log mod 2 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x plus c. So this is the final answer.